has come. Who will be the Super Serena Queen of Asia, AK?
Narito na.
To be awarded by Kevin Balot and Shamsi Supsup. Bago natin i-announce, Alan, let's just remind our Dabarkads yung
Super Pinoy Henyo.
Super
Pinoy
Pinoy Henyo na
Henyo.
mangyayari dapat today na exhibition match between
Yung tatlong
Muntinlupa
champions.
National High School at yung mga nakahula ng
Nakahula ng Super Pinoy Henyo Word.
Mangyayari na sa Lunes. So,
And
watch out
speaking
for
of
that.
next week, P, panibagong Super Serena na may super wit and talent na naman ang ating makikita. Because the search is on for the Super Serena Queen of Tourism.
Ito ang
May
Super
audition
Serena
tayo bukas.
audition. Bukas, June 2, 9 a.m. sa Arenas Resuello Sports Complex sa San Carlos, Pangasinan at sa Santa Cruz Municipal Covered Court sa Santa Cruz, Laguna. Bring a photocopy of your birth certificate. Dapat kasi 18 years old and above. A photocopy and original copy of a valid ID, one close-up and one whole body picture, and your music material.
Okay.
Kung gusto nyo, magdala rin kayo ng 1x1 picture, whole body.
Layo nun, AK. Ang liit.
Tsaka fruit basket para sa amin.
Our Super Serena Queen of Asia who will win 200,000 pesos, 75
totoo naman
percent
yun.
of which kinorek pa yun naman talaga yun. 75% will go to a chosen cause and to receive a sash, trophy, scepter, and crown. Super Serena
Here we
Queen
go.
of Asia is...
Good luck to our 5 Super Serenas.
with an average score of 95.88.
Will it be number 1, the Solen Yusaf of Quezon City?
Or will it be contestant number 2 from Taguig City, Iwa Simpulan ng Jasmine Curtis?
Or contestant number 3, the Heart Evangelista of Navotas City?
Or will it be contestant number 4, ang Christine Reyes ng Nueva Ecija?
And last but certainly not the least, Darian Ramos of Santa Cruz, Manila.
And here we go. With an average score of 95.88, our Super Serena Queen of Asia is candidate number 4.
Marian Arqueles at Christine Reyes ng Bungabon, Nueva Ecija! Congratulations!
Congratulations, Marian.
He is taking home 200,000 pesos. Ayan ang scepter, sash, crown, and syempre makakatulong pa siya.
200,000 pesos, 75% of which is going to...
Chosen cause nila.
Yun ngang bayan nila sa...
Bungabon.
Barangay nila sa Bungabon. Gusto niya mapasemento, mapakongkreto yung kanilang mga kalye.
That's a very good cause, ha? Diyan yan sa Nueva Ecija. And of course, the title of the Super Serena Queen of Asia